Apportionment in voting is the last unit for our course, um, Mathematics in the Modern World. So these are the learning outcomes. Use mathematical concepts and tools in apportionment in voting. Supported the use of mathematics in various aspects and endeavors in life. After Hamilton's method, the introduction of Hamilton's method, after several years, there were some paradoxes that happened. So, in layman's terms, daghan kayong mga kanang kalibog o kanang confusions nga nahitabo after ato because 'di ba the population is growing. So when the population is growing, it would that also mean nga mo increase sad ang representative kada state. So some states are actually claiming nga dapat we will have additional representatives because our population is growing. So if inana nga we stick nga 41 ra kabuok ang representative, so unsa man na if ang mo increase ang usa ka state pawagdangan og kanang um, representative ang uban, so that will create problems in uh, interstate problems. So very very critical siya nga concern. So let's try to see if the next method that is being introduced. So this man, he is Thomas Jefferson. So if you are into politics, social studies, if you like social studies, then you would know this person. So he's one of the former president of the United States, one of the politicians, and during his time, um, he himself experienced the confusions and the clamor of the other states. So he proposed a different method for apportionment. And then, so because he is a politician, there is a political reason behind his wanting uh, to create his own method. So his method, of course, would favor larger states and his own home state of Virginia. So taga Virginia da siya, and which was the largest in country at that time. So pinakadako. So he would also argue that it's the ratio of the people to the representative that is the critical thing, and apportionment methods should be based on that. So, but the paradoxes we saw also provide mathematical reasons for concluding that Hamilton's method isn't so good, while Jefferson's method might or might not be the best one to replace it, and at least Jefferson provided an alternative. So, 'di ba, if naatay mga concerns, problems nga ma-experience, some people would always create some proposal nga, how about doing this? So, mao na ang himo ni Thomas Jefferson. So, uh, we use exactly the same problem. We still have 41 members. The first step is still the same. We find a divisor, uh, and we do the same process for the next step, which is finding the quota uh, of each step using the divisor, which is 21,900.82927. Third step will still be the same. We remove the decimal portion of the quota. So 41. So the critical stage now is how do we add 1? Which state will have the additional 1? So that is where the proposal of how do we call it? The proposal of was that person? Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson in his method. So what he did is he just have to reduce the divisor. So gi-round off niya into a whole number. So making it 21,500. So when we have 21,500, we divide. So divide the population with 21,500 to each of the population of the given state. Then we have this one. So we have the following quota. So the same process gihapon ang iyang gihimo. So what he did is gidrop ra gihapon na niya tanang decimal place after the whole number. So we now have 7, 25, 9, and 41. So um, in this case, the same ra maghapon ang answer. Newcastle still got the additional one representative. Pero this is a different method, more or less similar in general, but this last part is different. So change lang ang divisor, round off to the nearest whole number. So more or less, or the total number of representative is now equal to the expected number of representative. Okay, so I think that would be all for this part. So if you have questions and clarifications with any part of the discussion regarding Jefferson's method, then drop your comments and questions in the comment section in our private group chat. Thank you so much.